Many homeowners are deciding to tackle their own home renovation projects and are looking to beef up their toolboxes.
We were moving some furniture in here and damaged the trim, and it's driving me absolutely crazy. Connor, how much is this going to cost us, and do you think we need a professional to come out?
I definitely don't think we need a professional. This is something that you know that I can handle. I've always had a passion for trim carpentry, and I've used the Zenith by Danco Trim Puller product before, and they just came out with their mini version, and I just got it. So let's go check it out.
You sure you can do this?
I got this, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Oh, hey guys. Oh, you guys got all your tools. That's so cute.
Yeah.
You know, this is more of a grown-up job, okay? So why don't you guys sit on the couch with Mommy and you guys can watch me do it. Does that sound like a plan?
Yeah.
When I removed this whole piece of wood that didn't split or crack, I just kind of inched my way along from top to bottom, and it came off perfectly clean. There's absolutely no damage to the wall. You can see it's perfectly flush, everything's perfect. I just need to get it repaired and back up there. To remove this entire 9-foot piece of trim only took me about 3 minutes. I would say it looked like one of the most daunting things she could have asked me to do, but it was one of the simplest because I had the right tool for the job with this new trim puller.
Wow, babe, great job.
I told you I could do it.
I knew you could do it. Nice.
What I liked a lot about this tool is it's got this nice rubber handle. So when I was hitting it with the hammer, you hit it pretty hard and it's no vibration or anything like that that causes any stinging in your hands.
I love how compact it is. You can definitely put it in your tool bag and just store it away in the garage with all your other tools.
Yep.
The Zenith by Danco Trim Puller Mini is a multi-purpose tool ideal for removing baseboards, chair rails, door casings, crown and shoe molding, trim attached to furniture and cabinets, thresholds, transition, weather and tack strips, metal carpet wedging, and ceramic tile. You can also use it to separate countertops that have been glued to base cabinets and as a temporary shim and leveling tool for cabinet installation. To learn more, go to zenithbydanco.com/ds and designingspaces.tv.